Hey, seventh graders, it's me, Mr. Stark. Today is Tuesday. You don't have classes today, but we are going to. I'm adding a little bit of a little step for you, just to help me with the attendance and stuff like that, to make sure that everybody's showing up. So, on my information resources on Google Classroom for fourth hour and third hour, there'll be a different link. For each hour, there'll be a link to attendance. And so that what you should do is go in there and click on that. And this is required every day. You put your first and your last name in there and you submit. And then that will give me a list of all the people that are in there, and I can go back and I can double check to see who's attending classes and who's not. And so that's the way I'm going to do attendance. Your responsibility is to check in every day. I will probably make one of these for my advisees as well. So have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.